How do we handle being in a place of stress response in our body, maybe even having pain, symptoms? One of the simple things you can do is simply just get outside, be out in the elements, feel the sun, connect with it, not just with your skin, but your whole being. Allow that sunlight to come in. Allow the sounds, the smells, the feelings that arise. And notice as you allow yourself to do that, it slowly takes you out of that maybe deregulated state where you were feeling pain, where you were feeling maybe emotions, where your body and your mind were not in harmony. But coming to a beautiful place like this, see the water, feel the sun, let the breeze connect with your skin. Put your phone away, unplug, and just being here. Taking a few deep breaths. Letting your exhalation go a little bit longer than your inhalation as we teach in the coherence breathing. And with a short amount of time, you'll start to feel yourself more here, more present in your beingness. Feel your heart rate relax. Let your breath smooth out. Feel the circulation through your body. Let your nerves relax. And maybe you even have some kind of rumblings in your stomach. Maybe you notice a little bit more saliva in your mouth. These are all indications that you're moving back towards a regulated or coherent state where your heart, your breath, and your brain are now more in connection. We have shifted from that fight or flight response to now more into rest, digest, healing. These are just a few of simple things that I teach in my group, my free group, You Are the Medicine, where we go live every week and I share some aspects of how you can somatically, with your presence, with your breath, with the right mindset, you can change you, helping you have higher quality of life, feeling the best version of you that's right there within you. You don't need anything outside yourself. That's why I say you are the medicine. So, appreciate you tuning in today. I hope you all have a blessed day. Go ahead and subscribe, like this, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments. And remember, go ahead and join my free school group, You Are the Medicine. Have a blessed day, everyone. I'll see you real soon.